Hey everyone, welcome back to Nikhil's Tech and Appliances. Have you ever bought a product online and thought, why didn't I get this earlier? Today I'm sharing 10 affordable kitchen and home products from Amazon that can save you time, keep your home organized, and make everyday life much easier. Stick around until the end, because my number 10 pick is something almost every Indian kitchen should have. Let's get started. Number 1 is Mini Handy Chopper. If you're tired of chopping onions and vegetables every single day, this little gadget can save you a lot of time. This mini handy chopper uses a simple pull cord mechanism to chop onions, tomatoes, garlic, chilies, fruits and herbs in just a few seconds. It has sharp stainless steel blades, doesn't need electricity, and is easy to clean. It's perfect for quick cooking, small families, and even hostel students. It costs just 189 rupees. Number 2 is egg boiler. Boiling eggs in a pan can be messy, and getting the perfect texture isn't always easy. This egg boiler lets you boil up to 8 eggs or poach 4 eggs with just one button. It even steams vegetables and offers soft, medium or hard boiling options. If you meal prep or love high-protein breakfasts, this gadget makes mornings much easier. Just 1,510 rupees. Number 3 is glass oil sprayer. Adding too much oil while cooking is one of the biggest reasons meals become unhealthy. This 2-in-1 glass oil sprayer and dispenser helps you control oil portions while cooking, grilling, baking, or using an air fryer. The glass bottle is reusable, leak-resistant, and looks premium on your kitchen counter. A simple upgrade that helps you cook healthier every day. It costs just 249 rupees. Number 4 is lunchbox. Carrying lunch in plastic containers isn't always the best option. This microwave-safe stainless steel lunchbox combines a stainless steel interior with a microwave-safe outer design. It keeps food fresh, prevents leaks, and is perfect for office, school or travel. A practical choice if you carry homemade meals daily. It costs just 499 rupees. Number 5 is kitchen weighing scale. Ever followed a recipe but still couldn't get the results you wanted? This digital kitchen scale measures ingredients accurately up to 10 kilograms. Whether you're baking, dieting, meal prepping or making coffee, precise measurements make a huge difference. The LCD display is easy to read, and the compact design fits any kitchen. It costs just 210 rupees. Number 6 is Airtight Storage Containers. Messy kitchen shelves waste both time and space. These airtight storage containers keep rice, pulses, flour, snacks and spices fresh while making your pantry look neat and organized. They're leak-proof, stackable, and perfect for maximizing storage. Great for anyone who loves an organized kitchen. It costs just 389 rupees. Number 7 is Milk Frother. Love cafe-style coffee but don't want to spend hundreds every week. This rechargeable Milk Frother creates creamy foam for cappuccinos, lattes, hot chocolate, and even beats eggs. It's USB rechargeable, lightweight, and takes only seconds to use. Perfect for coffee lovers at home. It costs just 301 rupees. Number 8 is Folding Cloth Drying Stand. Drying clothes indoors can quickly become a headache. This 3-way folding drying stand offers 42 feet of drying space with 20 rails, while still folding away neatly when you're done. It's lightweight, rust-resistant, and ideal for apartments and balconies. Practical home essential that saves space. Costs just 1,198 rupees. Number 9 is Self-Adhesive Wall Hooks. Don't want to drill holes every time you need to hang something? These heavy-duty wall hooks stick firmly to smooth surfaces and can hold photo frames, keys, clocks, towels, and other lightweight items without nails. Installation takes less than a minute and your walls stay damage-free. Just 78 rupees. Number 10 is garbage bags. Nobody likes dealing with weak garbage bags that tear easily. These garbage bags are thick, durable, leak-resistant, and perfect for everyday kitchen waste. With 90 bags in one pack, they're great value for families and help keep your home clean and hygienic. Sometimes it's the simplest products that make the biggest difference. Just 179 rupees. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to Nikhil's Tech and Appliances, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.